Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this LED work light for review from the manufacturer. So let's unpack it, give it a try, and see how it works. Okay, let's unpack it and see what's inside. Okay, it comes with a user manual. And I might add that the battery is not included. This light is designed to work with a DeWalt 20-volt lithium-ion battery. That is not included, and that'll have to be purchased separate. Let's take this protective cover off. And again, this is where the battery will be installed. This is the manufacturer name. Okay, it has 16 LED lights. You have a handle that you can carry the light with the battery pack. It will rotate about 140 degrees. So let's go ahead and put the DeWalt battery in. You just line up the grooves here and slide it in. Okay, if we zoom in a little bit and look at the switch, you have a left for low beam, the center for off, and to the right will be a high beam. Okay, so we'll put it to the low beam, and this is the on and off switch. So that's the low beam. Press it again and it'll be off. On off switch. Okay, go to the right of this switch and it's the high beam. Okay, and in the center, notice the light will not come on or off. When the light's not being used, this switch needs to be left into the center, and this way it will not drain the battery down. If you leave the switch on, even though the light is off, it will continue to drain the battery. So you have the low beam, then I'll switch it to the high beam. Another good feature that I like about this light, it has a couple of ports for charging a cell phone or other device. Here's a USB port as well as a Type-C port. So in the event you find yourself without power, you can use this port to charge up your cell phone or other device, as well as a Type-C device. So in the event you find yourself without power, problem solved. So if you need a work light in the event of a power outage, this is the light I would recommend, with the 16 LEDs, a low beam of 2400 lumens, and a high beam up to 4800 lumens. You have the handle, and best of all, it's designed for the DeWalt 20-volt battery. Just snap it in place, turn the light on, and ready to be used. So I highly recommend this 16 LED work light.